No, he feels overawed and choked. He doesn't know what to say.
But I cannot speak even before the picture of the Shaykh. How I can speak before him?
He became Muslim 25 years ago.
Oh, 25 years.
Yeah, 25 years. Abdullah became 8 years ago.
8 years.
Adris is a school teacher.
No, good.
And he is a businessman.
Businessman, good.
Shivering again.
He is shaking, he is shivering and shaking.
True Muslim.
True Muslim.
There will be change of life now. Change of life.
This is the coaching of life.
बहुत अच्छी तरह से